tonight's dinner is leftovers
from a roast.
We use an app called TooGoodToGo.
TooGoodToGo, yes.
Which shops and restaurants use to get rid of some of their end of day stuff, end of shelf life stuff, and we found that one or two of them are really good, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
And this is from a carvery in Nottingham.
It's a Green King pub, this one.
Yeah. And we've got leftover, some meat and veg, which was what was it,
£3.49 per portion. We got two portions.
So
look how much there is.
And so what we're going to do is make a bit of a bubble and squeak with the veg, and we've got the meats, which we can either have cold or warm. I don't know what we're doing, but we've also bought some cheap reduced chicken goujons from the co-op just down in Settle,
because this is going to feed three of us, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's going to add to the meats that we've got, and we'll see where we get to. So first thing we've done is just put a bit of oil in the ridge monkey, or whatever it is, the super duper big one,
ridge monkey-ish,
and we'll get going.
So the purpose of this video really is just to say that you don't need an oven, isn't it? There's so much variety of stuff that we can actually do on just a 2-ring burner. Nothing like it. So what's your plan of action then?
Well, I want to just mash this up a bit.
Is it a bit cold?
Not only cold, but there's a lot of it, so it's not easy. It's going to be easy to mix. Might be breaking it up in the mashing it down in the fridge, in the ridge monkey. Let's break cauliflower up. There's just a lot of it. We don't have a masher either in here, do we? So
no.
It's all with a fork. It might be a bit harder to do.
They're a lumpy bubble and squeak.
Just frying it all off. Kind of mash it down and break it up a bit, so it's a proper. The parsnips are taking a bit to break down. Cut up. Perhaps we should have done this one I made earlier, just before we came away.
I'm alright with lumpy.
That's looking a bit more like a bubble and squeak. Like Darryl says, a lumpy bubble and squeak. So I think we just close the lid on this for a few minutes. Let it warm up, and then we start thinking about what we're going to do with the meat. We'll just fry these off in the ridge monkey, just to cook them off in the ridge monkey, and we can either have them with the meal, depends on how hungry we are, or later. They're all going to go in easily. add a drop of oil to those. Just so they cook rather than burn. That's all the meat we have.
Turkey, isn't it?
I think it's turkey, yes. So sausages and goujons. I think we've got plenty, haven't we?
Mm-hmm. Well, pigs in blankets, aren't they?
These are doing all right.
Smelling nice.
I think they're not the chicken goujons I used to make at Thorpe Farms. I think they're all pre-formed, reconstituted chicken, but still, who's arguing? That's cooking nicely.
One thing we are noticing is we've got some trainee chefs. They're certainly very interested.
It's cooking all right.
There's a lot there. It's a good job Pippa's here to help us eat it.
I haven't got my thermometer with me, unfortunately, so we're going to have to just, I'm not going to say suck it and see, but we won't do that.
It'd be a bit hot for that.
It'd be a bit hot. They're frying off nicely. Cooking off really nicely. We're doing all right. What I'm thinking, I'll stick these sausages in now. I'll reheat those and then just put the meat over the top to reheat the meat.
Mm-hmm. It'll be tasty. It's a heavy pan, isn't it, as well, when you get a food in it like that?
I think we're just about done. The sausages and chicken goujons. And in here we've got the turkey slices and the bubble and squeak.
Delicacies. Yum.
How much meat do you want?
I'll have whatever you've got. Thank you very much.
Another one each?
You might as well, yeah. Can always be left.
It smells lovely. When I stepped out that van, I was like, ooh. Oh, look at that. Is this what you can do in a ridge monkey, is it?
It is.
We've gone super duper sized. It's not a ridge monkey, but it's similar. So
A dollop, please, would be lovely. Thank you. Thank you very much. Perfect.
So tonight we're going to test our food.
On me.
On
Can you
pizza.
have your ketchup, please? Thank you. Oh. Lovely. Thank you.
Okay.
It's nice and toasty in here.
The wind's getting up again.
Never be this adventurous.
Why?
Because it's just for me. So I just go, soup. Something from the freezer. Oh yeah, that's good.
Pass or a fail?
That's a pass.
It's a bit lumpy, but we
Yeah,
haven't got a
bubble
mash.
sweet's
We
meant
haven't,
to be
we haven't got a
lumpy,
masher. So.
So it's leftovers. It's meant to have a bit of everything in it. You never know what you're biting into.